Bluetooth acting up in your Honda CRV? Don't worry, we've got you covered. First, make sure your phone's Bluetooth is turned on. Sounds simple, but you'd be surprised how often this is the issue. Next, go to your CRV's infotainment system. Tap on the Settings menu, then Bluetooth. Look for your phone in the list of paired devices. If it's not there, go ahead and add it. Still not working? Try restarting your phone and your car. Sometimes a fresh start is all you need. Another trick is to delete your phone from the list of paired devices and then repair it. This can help reset any glitches. Lastly, check for software updates. Both your phone and your car's system need to be up to date for smooth operation. Go to Settings, System, and Software Update on your infotainment system. Do the same on your phone. If you've tried all these steps and it's still not working, it might be time to consult your dealer. They can check for deeper issues. Happy driving and enjoy your tunes.